sleep is far more than a simple period of physical rest for the body. It is a vital complex biological process. During this time, the brain undergoes a restorative phase where it processes information, repairs cellular damage, and prepares for the next day's challenge. Recent breakthroughs in scientific studies reveal that deep sleep has the incredible power to influence our genetic expression directly. This discovery suggests that sleep can actually communicate with our DNA, turning on genes that protect our health and turning off those that cause disease. When we consistently sleep less than 7 hours, hundreds of genes related to chronic stress, inflammation, and immunity are negatively impacted. This microscopic shift weakens our entire internal system, making us vulnerable to infections and long-term metabolic disorders that can shorten our lifespan. During the deepest stage of the night, the brain activates a unique clinic mechanism called the lymphatic system to flush out toxic waste. This system acts like a biological dishwasher, removing harmful proteins like beta amyloid that build up during our waking hours and are linked to cognitive decline. Without sufficient high-quality sleep, these dangerous toxins remain trapped in the brain's architecture, leading to permanent memory loss and chronic mental fog. This lack of recovery slowly kills our daily productivity and reduces our ability to process complex emotions or make logical decisions effectively. Ancient philosophy often describes sleep as a small death, a necessary departure of the soul to prepare for a new existence is morning. Modern science reinforces this by proving that sleep is the actual foundation of life, without which our biological and psychological structure would rapidly crumble into chaos. Chronic sleep deprivation also fundamentally changes how our cardiovascular system functions, significantly increasing the risk of heart attacks and high blood pressure. Science tells us that every single hour of deep rest is a vital investment in our long-term heart health and overall human longevity. When you prioritize your sleep as a non-negotiable part of your day, you are essentially rewriting the script of your future health. It is not a luxury for the weak, but the most powerful and sophisticated medicine available to mankind, and it is provided entirely for a fee by nature. Modern society constantly tries to steal our rest through digital distractions and artificial lighting, but true wisdom lies in protecting our sleep environment. Your DNA and your brain deserve those 8 hours of undisturbed recovery to keep your mind sharp and your body resilient against the stress of life. Deeply understanding the science of sleep is the essential first step toward achieving an optimized and meaningful human life. To truly thrive and reach your full potential, you must learn to respect your body's natural biological rhythms and give it the rest it fundamentally requires to function.